Hazrat Sahal bin Sa'ad Sayyidi radiyallahu anhu said, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam looked at a man who was fighting with the polytheists and was a man of nobility regarding wealth. So the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, whoso wishes to see a doomed to hell should see him. A man therefore set himself to pursue him in quest of reality. He continued fighting until he got wounded, so he hastened to commit suicide. The reporter says, he placed his sword in the middle of his chest and put the whole weight on it, and thus the sword went across his shoulders. The Prophet ﷺ whereupon said, a man keeps on performing deeds, and the people see that he is performing the deeds like those of the dwellers of hell, but he is actually a hell doomed. A man performs the actions, and the people seeing it think that he is performing the deeds like those of the denizens of hell, but actually he is one of the dwellers of paradise. And in fact, deeds are determined regarding the end. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 6493.